Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to be working on this aerial silk and I will be showing you guys a tutorial on how to do a monkey climb. So I know there are a lot of different names for this climb. It's one of the most basic climbs I know, other than the crochet climb, which we'll get into later. But I call it monkey climb because you kind of look like a monkey climbing it, and so that's how I will teach it today. So before we begin, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Oops. So we're going to pretend I'm not sitting, and we're going to start out with the fabric in front of us. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this fabric on the inside crevice of our foot, and we're going to have our knees sticking outwards. So as you can see my toes sticking out. My left leg is angled outwards so that my knee is on the outside and the fabric is on the inside of my front direction. And basically you're gonna hop up and grab onto this silk, and while you're doing that, your right foot or your opposite foot is gonna swoop under, pull the tail up, and sit on top of the other foot. So let me show you what it looks like from the front. So your first foot stays there, your second foot comes up, sits on top, and then you can put all your weight onto it. Woo! Now from the other side, it'll look like this. Knee outward, heel inward. So the left foot comes over here to the other side, brings it up, and sits on top of the other foot. Then you can put your weight on it. So now what that looks like without a chair is, see how it's right there in the crevice of my foot? You're gonna lift up, swoop under, and step on top. Now you're in a monkey climb. And from the left side, you'll start out facing this way, and your other foot comes under, steps on top, put all your weight into it. Now from the back, it'll look like this. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Michelle, and feel free to check out my videos. I'll be posting them every week, so